got the front view camera on. I'll go to the home screen. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you see what the backup camera looks like. So I'll go ahead and put the car in reverse. Alright, so this is what the backup camera looks like. This little car indication right here, our graphic, you know, it shows you that all the car doors are closed. Like if I should open one of the doors, just show me that driver car door open. Okay, so this camera has got LED lights in it, so as you can see, it kind of brightens the picture, the video quality. So if it's really dark, but right now it's not really dark because I'm still in my garage. So let me go ahead, put it back in park. I'm gonna show you Google. I got Google Maps here. All right, so right now I'm connecting to the house Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna search for the drive-in theater. Searching, comes up on Google. Okay, directions. It comes up, says 49 minutes to get to my destination. Then go ahead and hit start. And there it is. It says there's an icon that comes up, so you can add a pit stop. I don't know if that's something new from Google, but I'm go ahead and check that off. And there you go. You have your navigation, Google Maps. So this right here is really a big upgrade for me, at least. When I just was looking into getting this radio, and I was looking at YouTube and other, you know, customers that bought this radio, one of the biggest problems was people were complaining about this light right here, that it was blue, especially if you have the Type S. I specifically told the seller that I wasn't interested in having blue, so he sent me the one with orange, which is actually it is orange, but it looks better. You know, it matches. So that's really nice. Go ahead and start the car. So one thing I like about this radio is that when you turn the car off, it saves whatever, you know, application or, you know, whatever you were doing before. It saves that, so the next time you come back and start the car, it goes right back to there. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my AC on. Guys, you can do it from here, you can do it from here. I mean, it's really nice and fancy doing it from here. I like to put it in auto, recirc air, auto both sides, fan speed. I mean, it's in auto, so I mean the fan speed is gonna operate accordingly. So let me take it out of auto. Well, yeah, you gotta press the fan, you know, just like over here. You gotta press the fan for it to come out of auto. Well guys, I really like this radio. The only problem, like I said earlier in the video, is the static noise that you get from the radio, which is as a result of the audio RCA cables that came with this radio. They're like a really cheap quality, so I can't expect anything better, you know, better. But there are ways around that. You can install ground loop noise reducers, which I have two on this, or you can create an independent ground just for the radio, because you know, your ground is where you're actually going to pick up a lot of noise. That's it guys. You know, I'll go ahead and back out of my garage a little bit so you can actually see what it looks like, you know, when I get out there in the dark. You know, still, you know, the camera is pretty good quality. All right, so that's my review on this radio. I'm not gonna go to this destination right now, just showing you how this Google Maps work. All right, guys, go ahead and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, thanks for watching.
Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any updates.